This is our Team 17 Lab 9 demo. This is the setup for the course. It'll pass this first line and start reading values. It'll go for a bit. It'll read one full length because of the robot speed. And when it hits the second line, it'll output another set of values that will be less than the full buffer. And then it's going to go ahead and stop at that black line. The PID task is on, so it will be correcting itself, but it'll be off by a little bit because we're not doing this in the maze. It's just my room. It's a little wonky. And yeah, and then I'll show the values here at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this out. Reset the robots. I went ahead and just ran it off of the command instead of the start button because I don't want it to run when I don't want it to. I want to be able to watch it. All right, so press F and then it'll run. I'll let you watch first. So there it is, fixing itself. Stops. As you can see here are the values, marking the error percentage. So these first ones add up to 20. The second value is going to be less because it didn't get through the full buffer. So let me show that one more time. Boom. Just to show that that works, I'm going to reset this. Then I'm going to, boom, main program is running. I am going to go ahead and run this again. Press F. Fixes itself, and again, as you can see, it shows the data output and then the second one. And that is the demo. As for the lab, we're using a lot from our previous lab. The new things that we added was our line detector, which was originally a task, but now it is a software, or sorry, not the line detector, the PID task. It is now a software interrupt. That'll just allow that, we'll make sure that this is being run over the other task, which is the one that's outputting the values. And within here is gonna take in the values, calculate the error. And then within here, it's going to calculate all of the values, change the index, and then if it is full, it's going to go into the send pointer, which is the one that's being read into our data task. And at the end of it, you're going to post a semaphore. We have a Boolean before this, which is the detect flag, which is used inside of our handler for the line detection. So give me a second. Within here, and the way that it works is you have the condition for when it gets the thick line, which is going to stop the motor, the thin line for the first time, and for the second time. And so for the first time, it'll set the flag, which starts reading the values. If it goes in the second time, turn off the flag, set the flag to 0, which essentially turns off the reading, and go ahead and post the semaphore so it leaves from here. And that will take you to the data task function, or the data task, which is somewhere over here. Line detection, U-turns, all that stuff. I think it's above this one. Yeah. So all it's above here, it's waiting for the semaphore to be called. Remove the buffer data. Set up the format for the data message buffer. We have a for loop that goes through each index and gets the value from send pointer. Then again, reformat it to be in the right setup. And then at the end, you're gonna go ahead and print this ascend print, string print. And that's what's being output in here. And yeah, that's basically the setup. I have the other tasks turned off for the U-turn, the right turn, at least for this lab, just because I didn't want it to interfere with the demonstration. And that is pretty much it for the config. The new things that were added was we removed a semaphore, which was originally for the PID task because it's now a software interrupt. We went ahead and added the PID software interrupts, created a new task for the data collection, and that's pretty much it. And that is our Lab 9 demo.